Hey, what's up you guys? It's Emily, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make bookmarks with 3 different designs that are really easy to make, and I think they turned out pretty. Let's get on with the video. The first bookmark I'm going to show you how to make is this moon bookmark. You want to start off by cutting out a bookmark out of black cardstock paper, and you want to make the bookmark to be about 6 by 2 inches, or you can make it any size that you want. When you're done cutting out the bookmark, you want to take something circular and trace it on the bookmark to make 4 phases of the moon. I used washi tape to make my moons, and you can use a ruler to help measure them apart. It also might be easier to start from the top moon and the bottom moon, and then you can draw the middle moons last. After you're done drawing the moons, you can paint the moons in with white paint. When you're done painting the moons, you can lay your bookmark on a scrap piece of paper. Then you want to water down white acrylic paint, and then you want to tap the paintbrush over the bookmark to create stars. When the paint is dry, you want to erase any pencil markings, and then you're all done with your moon bookmark. The second bookmark I'm going to show you how to make is this crystal bookmark. The first thing you want to do for this bookmark is that you want to cut out a bookmark out of white cardstock paper, and you want to make the bookmark to be about 6 by 2 inches or any size that you want. After you're done cutting out your bookmark, you want to write a word in the middle with a pencil. I wrote the word dream on my bookmark, but you can write any word that you want. Then you can draw crystals on the border of the bookmark with a pencil. When you're done drawing the crystals with a pencil, you can go over the crystals with a pen. And then you can go over the word with a marker. After the ink is dry, you can erase any pencil markings. When you're done erasing the pencil markings, you can color in the crystals any color that you want. I colored mine pink, purple, and blue. When you're all done coloring in your crystals, you're all done with your crystal bookmark. The last bookmark I'm going to show you how to make is this Ombre bookmark. Just like the other bookmarks, what you want to do is that you want to cut out a bookmark out of white cardstock paper, and you want to make the bookmark to be about 6 by 2 inches or any size. For the next part of this bookmark, you're going to lay your bookmark on a scrap piece of paper, and you're going to need 2 paintbrushes and 2 colors of acrylic paint. You want to start painting with one color at one end of the bookmark, and you want to paint until you reach the middle. And you want to do the same thing to the other end of the bookmark, but with the other color. Then you want to blend the paint that's in the middle of the bookmark to create an ombre effect. To help with the blending, you can switch paintbrushes, and you can also dry off your paintbrush, but you're going to want to keep a little bit of the paint on the paintbrush so you can still blend the paint. When the paint is dry, you can draw stripes in different directions all over the bookmark. Then you can paint in the stripes with any color that you want. I painted my stripes gold. Once you're done painting the stripes, you can go back and clean up any lines or any spots that are messed up. When the front of the bookmark is dry, you can paint the back of the bookmark, but this is an optional step. If you do paint the back, make sure you're careful that you don't get paint on the front, or you're going to have to go and fix the front of the bookmark. Once the paint is completely dry, you can erase any pencil markings, and then you're all done. And that's how you make all of these bookmarks. In the comments down below, let me know which bookmark is your favorite. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos. I will see you in the next video. Bye!